Hey, I'm Aqua with WTI.
If you love vinyl records as much as I do, you have to have a place to store them, but also somewhere to put your record player. So this record player stand just works out so nicely, and I really am pleased with it. It holds up to 160 records, and I think that is really awesome. So even if you have a large collection, it can fit in this stand. I also really like that there is dividers so that the jackets are not being bent, so they're not just all falling on top of each other. It provides a structure for the albums and so they can be stored correctly. Also, another thing that made this just so nice was everything was labeled. Everything was nicely labeled, each piece, each part, and all the tools that you need are included in this. They include a little screwdriver and an Allen wrench, so no extra tools and very quick and easy to assemble. It only took us about a half an hour to put it together. I really like this style as well. It really lends itself well to that cottage, cozy vibe, farmhouse, and it really blended in nicely with my black and white. I love this style and think it just looks really nice. This record player just really hit the mark. It has great storage, a place for your record player, and it's really nicely made and beautiful as well. So I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.